Hi guys, welcome back to the maths program. If you are a student of class 11th or 12th with mathematics as one of the core subjects, or if you are appearing for JEE Main or JEE Advanced, or you just want to improve your mathematical skills, please watch this video. In my earlier videos, I discussed a lot of processes and systems that will make you a pro in the competitive exam. This video is sequel to that. I'll request you to look at the other videos. And if you like this video, please share it, like it, so that you can pass it on to the others. In this video, I am going to highlight some pitfalls that you may encounter during exams in JEE. The questions look very seemingly easy and workable, but once you start working upon that without clear understanding, then it may lead to a lot of waste of time, which is very, very precious during the exam. I'll take one example and show you how that question could have been answered in a couple of moments time rather than wasting a lot of time of trying to work out the solution. So please watch it and enjoy it.
The objective of this video is to show that in JEE some questions come where they actually test the concepts behind the question. If you don't know the concept, you may end up trying to attempt to answer the questions, and in the process you waste a lot of your valuable time. So this is one such question. Now when you look at the questions, you may be tempted to work out the actual values of S6, S5 and S4 and try to find out what will be the right choice. However, the actual calculation of S6, S5 and S4 will take a lot of time, and you will end up wasting lot of time on that. There could be some calculation mistakes. So there is a better way to answer these questions. This question actually pertains to something called Newton's identities. Newton identities shows relationship between the sum of the roots with equal power with the coefficients of the polynomial expressions. It is slightly difficult to show Newton's identities, that is the sum of the roots with equal power with that of the coefficients of the polynomial. But for a quadratic equation, it is pretty easy. So let's have a look at the quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Alpha and beta are two roots. We know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a. This is the elementary from quadratic equation, right? So let S1 denotes the sum of alpha to the power n plus beta to the power n. That means S1 is equal to alpha plus beta, S2 is equal to alpha square plus beta square, and so on. Now we know alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Or we can write alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta into alpha plus beta minus alpha beta. And alpha cube plus beta cube is, we can multiply alpha square plus beta square by alpha plus beta, and when we multiply, whatever the additional terms are created, which is alpha square beta and beta square alpha, that we deduct. So alpha cube plus beta cube will be alpha square plus beta square into alpha plus beta minus alpha beta, if we take it common, into alpha plus beta. Now look at minutely, alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to S3 as per the definition. Alpha square plus beta square is S2 and alpha plus beta is S1. So we can say S3 is equal to alpha plus beta into S2 minus alpha beta into S1, right? Now let's look at the sum of alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4. Alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4 is equal to alpha plus beta into alpha cube plus beta cube minus the additional terms that has been added out of this multiplication, which is alpha beta cube plus beta alpha cube. Now if we take alpha beta common from the second term, the equation will become alpha plus beta into alpha cube plus beta cube minus alpha beta into alpha square plus beta square. Now what is alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4? It is S4. What is alpha cube plus beta cube? It is S3. And what is alpha square plus beta square? It is S2. So the equation becomes S4 is equal to alpha plus beta into S3 minus alpha beta into S2. Now let us look at the generic solution alpha to the power n plus beta to the power n. Alpha to the power n plus beta to the power n will be equal to alpha plus beta into alpha to the power n minus 1 plus beta to the power n minus 1 minus the additional terms that have been arised because of this multiplication, which is beta into alpha to the power n minus 1 plus alpha into beta to the power n minus 1. From the second term, we take alpha beta as common, and the expression for alpha to the power n plus beta to the power n will become alpha plus beta into alpha to the power n minus 1 plus beta to the power n minus 1 minus alpha beta alpha to the power n minus 2 plus beta to the power n minus 2. Or in another terms, we can say Sn is equal to alpha plus beta into Sn minus 1 minus alpha beta into Sn minus 2, where Sn denotes the sum of alpha to the power n plus beta to the power n. Now let us put the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta, which we have found out earlier. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a and alpha beta is c by a. So the equation, the generic equation becomes Sn is equal to minus b by a Sn minus 1 minus c by a Sn minus 2. So after rearranging, it becomes a Sn plus b Sn minus 1 plus c Sn minus 2 is equal to 0. So for a quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c, a Sn plus b Sn minus 1 plus c Sn minus 2 is equal to 0. Please look at the corresponding terms. Now this is for quadratic equation, and our question is pertaining to quadratic equation. Now let us look at the question again. 5x square plus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus 6 by 5 and alpha beta is equal to minus 2 by 5. Now we know Sn is equal to alpha plus beta Sn minus 1 minus alpha beta Sn minus 2. When we put n is equal to 6, it will become S6 is equal to minus 6 by 5, Sn minus 1 will become S5 and Sn minus 2 will become S4. So the equation will become like this, and 5S6 plus 6S5 is equal to 2S4. So the right choice is option number 4. If you did not know the concept, it will be very difficult for you to arrive at this answer, and if you attempt to arrive at this number, it will be very time consuming and it will be very complicated. Thank you very much for watching this video.